Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 1126 at Putrajaya Marriott Hotel. That is the doorbell. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the back of the door with the floor plan. To the right, as you enter the room, you have a slot to insert the key card for the room's power, do not disturb and makeup room switches, as well as the light switches. That is the view that you get as you enter the room. To the left, we have drawers, in-room safe, a shelf, or rather two shelves. And right here, we have the wardrobe. Below, in-room slippers, weighing scale, bathrobes, hangers, ironing board, and storage right above. Okay, so opposite the wardrobe, we have a door, and this door goes into the bathroom. Hello. Obviously a mirror with the sink in the middle. To the left, shower area, toilet, and the bathtub is to the right. Towels right there. Okay, so coming out of the bathroom, we have a fridge down below, pantry area with your mugs, kettle, tea, coffee, sugar and all that stuff, bottles of water, glasses, more mirrors. And further inside the room, we have a very nice looking bed. On either sides of the bed, you have bedside tables. On that side, you have a bit of storage, the clock, in-room telephone, lights, light switches and all that. And on this side, it's empty, so you just have your plugs, light switches and whatnot. Climate control panel is right there. There is a plug down there. Right here, place to put your luggage with storage. Sort of like a place to put your stuff right there. Flat screen sharp TV. Right here we have the desk area with the chair, a coffee machine, more mugs or cups, whatever you call it. And here some welcome letters, sanitizing wipes, more plugs, another mirror, a light, and here we have a table together with a sofa-like thing. Right, and the view that I get out of the window is of the front porch of the hotel with the fountain area. That is the entrance to get to the porch, and that is the main road in front of the hotel. You can see sort of like a park opposite. But yeah, that's it for the room tour of room 1126 at Putrajaya Marriott Hotel. Thanks for watching and goodbye.